Hi, my name is Christoph and welcome to the Quixotry workshop. I'm passionate about making stuff and working with my hands, and this channel is all about making stuff, fixing stuff, and making tools to fix stuff. And like this hammer I made from scratch, and it's all on my channel and it's all free for you to watch and enjoy. If you want to partner with me and become a patron to my workshop, you can do so by going on Patreon and looking at our Patreon page, and then you'll find us there under the Quixotry workshop, or if you search on Patreon Quixotry, you will also find it, and that's where you can support me and we can do more stuff and more entertaining things for you.
Christoph, das ist so lecker! Oh my goodness!
I hope you enjoyed that.
I really did.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. It's free and I release a video every week.